It's Philip from Pacific Coast again, and we're on board our 34-foot Tollycraft. It's a 1982, powered with a pair of 270 Crusaders. They're a 5.7 liter block in this boat, putting out 270 horsepower. This is a beautiful installation on this boat. It's a 1982. You will not find anything finer in the marketplace than this boat. And we're doing a quick video of the engine room space and the engines themselves. The owner has kept this boat in beautiful condition in every aspect, including the engines, the bilges. As you can see, there's the holding tank in the middle, raw water strainers, starboard and on the port. You can see the through hull valves are open, the belts are nice and clean, the engines are clean, there's no great big oil anywhere. It's got dripless shaft seals. It has somebody's upgraded the spark plug ignition wires, and we're going to do a full startup video for you as well so you can see what this is all about. This is a 34-foot Tollycraft with a pair of 270 Crusaders. It does not get any better than this. This is one of the cleanest 34 Tollys in the marketplace. It has been substantially upgraded. One of the other nice features on this boat is that it's got a full freshwater cooling system on it. So that means it has glycol running through the engines, not salt water. There's the radiator cap right there. And the manifolds right here are freshwater cooled. So they have glycol running through them as well. And this is where the raw water gets exited the boat through the riser right in this point. And that's a raw water hose entering into the riser and then out through the exhaust on this boat. Give me a call if you have any questions about it. 604-708-1980. 30 years in the boat business. There's a reason for that. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching our engine room video. Thank you.